Hi. In Lexzur, you can tailor the system's appearance to match your business and establish a branded experience. To start, go to System Settings, scroll to the System Preferences section, and select Look and Feel. First, you can create your own theme. In the App Theme section at the top of the page, add a new theme. Customization options include setting your preferred font family, uploading your logo, and giving your app a title that will appear in the web browser tab. You can also upload an app favicon, change the footer logo, and customize the look and feel of your client and advisor portals. Additionally, you can personalize the colors of backgrounds, text, buttons, tabs, etc. Once you're satisfied with the appearance, you can save your customized look as a new theme or set it as the default theme for the application. Here's an example. Change the background color by clicking the Edit button next to the color and selecting your preferred color. Similarly, adjust the text color and the new button background color. Customize the colors for buttons, tabs, and footers. And save once done. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.